Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove YouTube Shorts from the YouTube app. So let's go to the YouTube app here. And as you can see, we are right now on the home of the YouTube. Here we can see all the videos that are basically recommended to us, right? And as you can see, we also have the Shorts tab right here, which is this one, right? I'm just going to be pausing this video just so you can see, how we can basically, remove Shorts from the YouTube app. So first thing is you cannot remove the whole YouTube Shorts section because this is a section that is within YouTube, basically in the YouTube app, right? What you can do is you can possibly download a older version of your YouTube app, and then you can basically go through there, and watch videos through there. Or what you can do is you can tap on 3 dots on each short, and then what you can do is you can click don't recommend me this channel, and then you will get another short, right? But again, this is, over and over again, it's going to be the same. You will get another short, and another short, right? So you can't really remove YouTube Shorts completely from the YouTube app, but you can go to 3 dots, right? And just don't recommend this channel. Or what you can do is just stay on the home, right? If you're on home, as you can see, we don't have any YouTube Shorts right here, right? And we won't be able to see YouTube Shorts, right? Unless we click on YouTube Shorts tab, right? Which YouTube specifically made for YouTube Shorts. So that's pretty much, a way how you can basically, how you can remove YouTube Shorts from the YouTube app. Again, I know it's not probably the answer you're looking for, but it's the only answer currently, as of right now. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next upcoming video. Bye-bye.